Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial. Today we're going to talk about order pickers and fulfillment. These are not forklift carts, they're order pickers. That means the operator is on the same side the cage is, and he's going to take this cage up with him. So that's where we're going to go. Right now though, before we get too far into this, I want you to look at our aluminum. This is a slice of the billet. We do extrude everything here. Anything that's got a bit of tube or a frame on it, we make it, we extrude it. This is going to be coil material aluminum. This is something here, this ample mesh is really a great little piece of product, and I'll talk about that in a minute. Before I get into this order picker right here, I want you to see the oak block. This is exactly what we have on both of these units. It's got a cradle in the bottom of it. This is just here to show you for the demonstration. It's got the clips on the side, so if you've got an order picker gripper and it's just smooth, you may not be able to get a good grip on this. We have different options for that. So don't be afraid to contact us. Easy to replace, and again, like I said, it's solid oak, so it's very durable. We do put the anti-skid tape on top here, so that way if the operator is stepping off onto this, it has some safety involved in it. These particular shelves are set at 4 inches on center. They have a 4-degree pitch to the back. So you can unscrew these knobs, you can adjust it to wherever you want it to be. This customer wanted something very, very tall. They also wanted something without the mesh. They must have had bigger package goods. If you were doing small items, I would probably suggest that you go with the mesh here to contain it. But it's a simple design. It moves around just like the other ones. It's got a handle on the back. This order picker over here, same concept, everything's the same, the 4-degree pitch. Big difference is these shelves are removable, very easy and quick to take out. We also have a 15-inch shelf. That 15-inch deep shelf is ideal if you're putting a lot of real tall items like pipes or something like that, so you can bungee cord them in here, so you can utilize this and this to capture it. So just another idea. On the front here, we have a pin. There's a towable hitch on the back. This pin is designed, you can pull it out, you put your tongue in there, and you can drop this in so you can make this a towable unit, so you can tow it around. New Age is innovative, and we're known for what we do and how we build to fit your exact needs. Please call us. Let us know what you're looking for. We're here to help you. It's newageindustrial.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time.